What's up YouTube? Today we have Volkswagen Beetle 2013 and one of headlights stopped working. I just get the replacement. Let's go ahead and change it. Just put the headlights on. Let's go ahead, check it, which light bulb is out. As you can see, this one is working, and on the left side of the car it is out. Let's pop the hood and do the procedure. To pop the hood, like in every car, just use popper. And right here we can access the engine. Just like this. Right here we have access to a headlight. It is right there. Let's check it out how to pop it first. Right here we can see a screw right there showing it's locked and unlocked for the light. So I guess we will unlock it and somehow we will pop it out. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, so I just use a flat screwdriver and I pop this piece out. So now what we're gonna do, we will just slide out all of the unit right here. Now we will untwist the pop button, and right here we have all light bulb. Just figure out how it's set up. Take your time. Alright, so I guess we can unscrew one screw right there. Let's unscrew this one. Whoa, let the metal piece go out. It's all good. We will take out the old bulb right here. Put the light back. Now right here you can see replacement bulb. Looks same. I pay for it at AutoZone. Oh, freshness, candy bars. Right here we pay for it $12.99. All the time wear gloves when you install it, because you cannot touch light bulbs. I don't have gloves, so I will just use my hands. Just be gentle, do not touch the glass part. And take the light bulb, put it in, and then we need to install the metal piece back. Alright guys, so me and my friend figure out how it's going. You press this piece, then you press this piece, you see it go on the side, then you squeeze it in on the light bulb, and then you see it's going in, just like that. Perfect. Let's go ahead and install another from here. Just like that. Take your time. Don't squeeze it that hard. It's plastic. And actually it's installed. Then I feel I twist a little bit off the light, but it's actually everything good. So right here, all good. Double check it. Yep. Plug the plug. And then before installing the lamp, don't forget to put the cover. It's very important. It's sealed it. make sure it's all matches. And then right here you can see the red piece. Just put it in, and I just use a ratchet because I don't know, my bolts are very rusted. Just squeeze it in, and it's in. Now let's start the car and check how headlights work. Bravo. And now we have success. We have 2 lights bulbs working. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe. Send me some beer money.